It's moving people from being technical to being tactical
Mm.
in their businesses. We know that fundamentally we fall into business in most instances based off a certain kind of skill set that we've achieved through our career. So we come in with a high level of technical ability, but very, very low level maturity, business maturity. And definitely, if I look at my own experiences under COVID in the last 5 months, what I've been amazed at is how many people have actually come out of the woodwork and have said, "Oh my God, we need to get a little bit more tactical. We need to be a little bit more strategic in our business because our audiences have essentially died." And we're like, so, we've still got a service to present, but our core audience no longer exists. So there's a few things for me. So there's that moving from technical to being tactical. And I've sent through to you is a copy of the marketing blueprint, which essentially just pulls everything back and takes more of a holistic viewpoint towards how we actually revitalize and resuscitate our businesses, looking at making marketing rather than being something that's this big unknown entity like a big black hole, actually being able to bring it down into 4 real simple components. So the key here for me is really taking an opportunity to re-educate in how they can, through something like a marketing blueprint, four key simple steps that all align in. One impacts on the other. It's like creating their own one-page marketing plan. And that will be the key for me.